Hello dear kids, now we are going to discuss chapter 3 from your NSO Olympiad workbook and the chapter name is Human Body. Let's start. In this chapter we are going to discuss our body and its parts, sense organs and our senses, importance of correct posture, bones and muscles. Do you know our body is a living machine? It means we are living animals. If we are living animal, then our body is also a living thing. And why we are calling it machine? Because our all body parts do a proper function like a machine. That's why our body is calling as living machine. It has two type of organs, external organs and internal organs. External means which you can see outside the body. Internal means which are situated in inside body and we cannot see them naked eyes. The parts of our body that we can see from outside are called external organs, like our head, arms, legs, eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. They are external organs. The parts that are inside the body are called internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, stomach, etc. In this we are going to discuss good and bad postures. Good posture. In first picture there are two boys standing. This boy is standing straight. This is good posture or this is accurate posture. But in first picture there is a boy that is bent forward side or front side. So this is not good posture. We do not stand like this. We stand like straight. So this is the good posture. In second picture there is a boy who is studying. This boy is studying and sitting straight. You can see that his bone is straight, his backbone is straight. In this picture boy is bent in front side so this posture will may cause pain in his back. That's why this is wrong posture, but this is right posture. And in third picture you can see that a boy which is having school bag on his back. In this posture first boy is bent in front side but the second boy is walking straight. So this is the right posture and this is wrong posture, but because this posture also may cause pain in your back. So straight, stand straight, sit straight and walk straight. These are the right postures. Next is our body is a living machine, as I already told you. Why we call it machine? It has two type of organs, external organs and internal organs. The part of our body that we can see from outside are called external organs like head, arm, muscle, eyes. The parts that are inside the body are called organs like brain, heart, lungs. Look at this. Brain helps us to think and work. This is the function of brain. So brain work like a machine and this machine work for thinking and working. Work on thinking. And second is heart. Heart pump blood to all part to our body. This is the picture of heart and its work is pumping the blood to a full body parts or all body parts. So it is also like a pumping machine. This works like pumping machine. And in third picture there is a lungs and lung help us to breathe. It means lung is a breathing machine. And stomach break down the digest food we eat. It means this is the digestive machine. So our body parts are work like a machine. In next picture we have 5 sense organ. We all know that we have total 5 sense organs: eye, ear, tongue, skin and nose. Eye help in see, ear help us in hear, tongue help us in taste, skin help us in feel and nose help us in smell. So these are the 5 sensory organs and they help us in senses all these things. Question 1 is, what is correct posture for reading? So, as we already discussed, the correct posture is which is the straight back, which is having straight back. That is called correct posture. In first picture, the boy's back is straight. It means this is correct posture. But here the back is bent. It means this is wrong posture. Here boy is completely laid down on bed. This is completely wrong thing. All of these no, because A is correct posture. Question 2 is, select the option that will complete the word in the given statement. Our body has a framework of bones. Our body has framework of bones that is called skeleton. skeleton. Skeleton for our support. So here we have K, that is L, that is T, and that is N. KLTN. Where is KLTN? Here is KLTN. Option C is right answer. Third is, select the incorrect statement from the following. There are more than 200 bones in our body. This is right. We have 206 bones in our body. Muscles help us in movement. This is also a correct option, because muscle help bones to movement. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. This is also correct. The place where two or more muscles join together is called joint. This is wrong. Joint, when two or more than two bones joint, that is called joint, not muscles. So this is incorrect statement. Option D is right answer. Question 4 is, refer to what Siddharth is saying. I love shining raindrops on leaves. Which sense organ has to use for that? I love shining raindrops on leaves. It means it can see shining raindrops. They were on leaf. It means if it is seeing, see, so which sensory organ help us in seeing? That is eyes. It means option C is the right answer, because by ear he can hear, by nose he can smell only, but by eyes he can see, and by tongue he can taste. It means he can see raindrops by its eyes. Option C is right answer. Question 5 is, Mayank has difficulty in breathing. He most probably has some problem with his. If A is breathing means breathing machine is lungs. Lungs are breathing machine. It means if he is having problem in breathing or respiration, it means he is having problem in his lungs. Option A is right answer, because stomach is a digestive machine, because it breaks down food. Liver is also digestive organ, so it is also a digestive machine, and kidney is also a digestive organ. So it means lung is the breathing organ, and it will lung which is having difficulty. Next question is, I am a soft organ inside your chest. If I stop working, other parts of your body will not get blood. It will not get blood. Yes, which was the blood pumping machine to all parts of our body? That is heart. Heart pump blood in all part of our body. It means if it stop working, our other body parts cannot get blood. So option C is the right answer for this. This is the picture of kidney, and it is the helping in digestion of food. This is the picture of lungs. It is the breathing machine. And this is the picture of heart, and this is the blood pumping machine. So if we will not get blood, it means heart is not working properly. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, dash is an activity that help us to develop strong muscles. Which activity help us in developing strong muscles? It means what? Rope skipping. How we can skip rope? By moving our hands. It means our hand muscles are working there. In B, painting. Painting is a very soft work. In this work, our muscles are not getting stress or not taking stress. It means they cannot be strong or weaker. They will be normal. In jogging, yes, jogging is also a difficult task. When we jog, our leg muscles also work very strongly or they work hard. So they get strong. When muscles work hard, then they get strong. It means in rope skipping and in jogging, they both help us to develop strong muscles. It means option D, both A and C is right answer. Question 8 is, an adult human has dash bones. I already told you we have more than 200 bones in our body and these are 206 in quantity. Option D is right answer. Question 9 is, select the option which on unscrambling gives the name of body parts of the body which protect our brain. So, in option A, we have wrist, W-R-I-S-T. In option B, we have skull, S-Q-U-L-L. In option C, we have elbow, E-L-B-O-W. In option D, we have rib cage. Rib cage. Do you know where are these organs? Wrist. Wrist is, this is the joint of our palm and arm. Skull. This is the protective organ of our brain. Elbow. This is joint in our arm. Option D, rib cage. This is the cage around the lungs. So, select the option that give the name of bony part of the body which protect our brain. So, which protect our brain? I already told you skull is the bony part or bones skeleton that protect us our brain. This is the B, right answer. And ribcage protect our lungs. So, option B is right answer for brain. Question 10 is, match the given eatables with their supposed taste. So, first one is bitter gourd. It may be bitter because it's a bitter gourd. B is lemon. It is sour. C is chocolate. Chocolate is sweet. D is fries. They are salty. S-A-L-T-Y. So, sequence are bitter, sour, sweet, salty. So, where is bitter, sour, sweet, salty? Option D is the right answer. Question 11 is, our senses of dash and dash tell us the soya sauce is dark and salty respectively. Dark, it means we can see from this organ. And salty means we can taste from this organ. So, see and taste. It means see and sight. It can be sight also. Sight and taste. Option C is right answer. Select the correct match of organ and its function. Question A. Lungs pump blood to different part of body. Wrong. Which pump blood? That is heart. Or lungs help us in breathing. Breathing only. Option B. Stomach digest food. This is correct. Stomach help in digesting food. Option C. Skin taste. No. Taste for tongue. And skin is feel. Option D. Heart and help us breathe. No. For breathing we use lungs. And for pumping blood we use heart. Pumping blood. So it means option D. B is the only right answer. Stomach. Next question is, match column 1 and 2 and select the correct option. Option is muscles. Muscles help the bones to move. Skull, that protect our brain. We studied it in previous question. Ribs. Ribs are the protection of the ribs help in protecting our heart, and bones, they give shape and support to our body. So it means A is tree, B is 1, C is 4 and bones D is 2. Where is A3? There is A3, B1, C4, D2. It means option D is right answer. Next question is Neetu ran into the kitchen from drawing room to switch off gas stove because rich rice kept on it was burning. Unscramble the given letter group to select the sense organ that helped her to know that rice was burning. So, if it was burning, it means she gets smell of burning from her nose, because nose is the organ from which we can smell. So, let's unscramble all these words. Then when we get where is nose? In first option, that is which organ is this? Yes, guess. These are ears. E-A-R-S. These are eyes. This is nose. And this is skin. So, where we have nose? In C option, we have nose. Option C is right answer. Next question is, in which of the following activities the bones and the muscles are being used the least? In which activity? Here in first picture she is walking. It means she is using her leg muscles. In option B, he is bathing by hand. So he is using his arm muscles. In option C, he is studying. But he is sitting still. He is not using any type of muscles. He is just using his eyes for reading the book. It means this is the activity in which muscles are not using. And in option D, he is exercising. So this is the most muscle using activity in which he is using their stomach muscles, arm muscles, leg muscles, all the muscles. So in which activity muscles are not being used? In option C, muscles are not being used. Next question is, Aman is blindfolded and he is asked to differentiate some pair of items. Which of the following pair of items can be differentiated? Let's see. A glass of orange juice and glass of plain water. Yes, because in this activity he can taste orange juice glass and plain water glass. So in this activity he doesn't use eyes. So this is correct activity. He can do that. B, a piece of red and a piece of blue cloth. No, red and blue color he can only differentiate by seeing. And because he is blindfolded, so he cannot see color differentiation. It means he cannot do that activity. In option C, a round ball and a rectangular ball. Yes, he can differentiate these because by feeling in his hand, he can differentiate the surface of the ball, rectangular or round. So it can be done by blindfolded person. Option D, empty piggy bank and piggy bank with some coins. Yes, he can do that activity by hearing, because empty piggy bank doesn't make any sound, but coin piggy bank makes sound. So he can differentiate that which is empty and which is with coin. So this activity also can be done by this. It means he can done A, C and D, all the activities, but not B. So it means A, C, D only. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, read the given conversation among 4 friends. Kunika, Pooja. Kunika say, Pooja, your skin is so smooth. Pooja, Kunika, I like the fragrance of your perfume. Sneha, please both of you stop making noise. Suhani, Sneha, come, I am watching an interesting movie. Sense used by dash will also help her in differentiate hot coffee and cold drink. Hot coffee and cold drink. Look, let's check which were using which sense. Kunika, your skin is smooth. It means she is feeling his skin. Pooja, Kunika, I like fragrance of your perfume. She is smelling. It means she is using smell or nose. Sneha, she is saying that please stop your noise. It means she is hearing noise. It means she is using ears or hear sense. Suhani, Sneha, come, I am watching an interesting movie. It means she is using eyes and ears both. Eyes and ears both. So if you want to differentiate hot coffee and cold drink, we will touch it. In our question, we can differentiate hot coffee and cold drink by touching glass. Touch means we can feel it, that is hot or that is cold. Then we can differentiate it is hot coffee or it is cold coffee. So it means we are using the sense of kunika, of touch, feeling. So it means option B is right answer. Next question is, which of the following will not be sensed by respective student? Option A, in the soap, scented or not? Yes, it can be smelled by its nose that soap is scented or not. It is right activity. In B, he closed his nose, then is the watching ticking or not? This is also correct. He can watch by his eyes and eyes are open. Next is the coffee sweet or not? Coffee will be tasted by tongue or mouth, but its mouth is closed. It means she cannot do that activity because it can be differentiate or it can be decided by tasting the coffee, but she cannot taste. It means it cannot be sensed by this respective student. In option D, is the orchid purple or blue? Yes, he can be differentiated because its eyes are open and he can see that orchid is purple or blue. It means only the option C which cannot be sensed. Option C is right answer. Question 19 is, refer to the given flow chart and select the incorrect option. The chart is, the organ has bones along with muscles. Yes, and that is a sense organ. P is no and Q is yes. It means they both have muscles with bones, but P is not a sense organ but Q is a sense organ. In second side, this organ, it means no means it is R and S. Both are not bones and muscles. Both doesn't have bones with muscles, but S is a sensory organ but R is not a sensory organ. This chart is showing that thing. Let's check the statement also because we have to find out incorrect option. Option A, Q can be the organ of hearing. Q, here is Q. Q is the bone. Hearing we can be done by ear. It means we have ear here and the organ has bone along with muscles. Yes, our ear has muscles with bones. Do you know that smallest bone of our body is known as tape and this is the ear bone. So this is correct option. This is correct statement. P can be the organ that help us to write. In P, that help us to write. Which organ help us in write? That is our hand help us in writing. It means it has bone and muscles both. This is right. And it is not a sensory organ. This is not a sensory organ. It means this statement is also correct. This is also correct statement. It is not a sense organ but it has organ. It is the organ with bones and muscles. In option C, S can be the organ that pump blood in our body. S. Here is S. S is the organ has not bones and muscles and it is a sense organ. No. Pumping blood in our body, that is done by heart and heart is not a sensory organ. It means this statement is incorrect. C is incorrect statement. R can be the organ for digestion. Here is R. R is the organ with bones and muscles and it is a sensory organ. It is not no लिखा हुआ है sensory organ के लिए. इसका मतलब it is no bones and muscles and it is not a sensory organ. This is also correct option because in our digestive system we have stomach, we have liver. There is a muscular organ but they doesn't have bones. So it means this is also a correct option. So incorrect option is option C only. Next question. Refer to the given word grid. Which of the following is not hidden in it? Which of the following? First, it is a bean-shaped organ. Bean-shaped organ. Which is the bean-shaped organ? This is the bean-shaped organ. Yes, which is the bean-shaped organ? This is our kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y. So let's check. Here is kidney. We have or not? K is here. We don't have kidney in this grid. Next is, it is the master organ of our body. Master organ, which is the master organ? This is the brain, which give instruction to whole body. It means brain is the master of our body. So we have brain here. Let's check we have or not. Yes, we have brain here. BRAIN. Here we have brain. C is, it is the place where two bones meet. Yes, when two bones meet, that place is called joint. Let's check. Here is joint we have. Yes, we have joint here also. And next one is, it is a sense organ which is 2 in number. Which organ is sense organ in 2 in number? We have eye here, 2 in number. We have ear sense organ, that is 2 in number. So let's check we have eye or ear in this grid or not. Yes, we have eye here. They call EYE. We have eye here, not ear, but we have eye. It means this is we have D here, we have C here, we have B here. But what is the organ which do not have in this grid? That is kidney. It means option A is the right answer for which we do not have in this grid. Option is right answer. So kids, here we learn about chapter 2, that is human body. Learn all the questions, their options also. Learn all the pictures also for the organs. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.